All right, this is round 2 of these panels. I've got them all out here laid out again. And I told you I was gonna get some LED bulbs and put in here. Well, I went through and I marked which one of these are positive and which ones are negative. And you got to have it in that polarity or the LED lights will not work. So I'm gonna go in now and I'm gonna pull all these old bulbs out. I already pulled this bulb out here and this one here, and I'm gonna put all these in and I'll show you how I solder those in. Got my irons already heating up, so let's watch. All right, let's go to soldering these things. See if we can't get them soldered in. Let's see. These go like this here. First I'm gonna pull a little solder on it. Build up a little bit. And then I'm gonna get me a little pair of pliers, something I can shake equally with. Okay, there's one. There's one. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and knock all of these off. The originals. They just kind of twist off. There ain't much to them. And I'm gonna add a little bit of solder to them. The shaking experience is new to me. This happened in my 50s. Okay, I've got all of them cinched in there. We've got a game plan for how we're going to do this. We're going to go ahead and start over here. Now, this long side here, if you can see this LED has a long side and a short side. The long side is the positive and the short side is the negative. So that's how we're hooking this up. It says so right here. Positive, negative, long one. So we're gonna go ahead and put all these in here. You know, I really should probably test all of these first to make sure they're good to go. So this is how I'm gonna test them. All right, that one works. Okay, we can cut that off. Put that off to the side now. We can start soldering these bad boys in. really don't like the way that holds right there. I'm gonna change it. Much better. And I have the ability cruise control will be nice and green now. Well, I have to say, this interior looks much better. Much better. And I have the ability to dim it down to, I can cut them off. That's the cool part. And it doesn't really do justice on how dim they are. But that could be my dimmer too. But they do look a lot better. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you out a little bit. Anybody can do this if I can.